all the accessories we have. I got the barrettes and hair ties. I got a pick and the brush. Oh, look, I got a little crown. That's cute. And I got a mirror. I wish I had this crown. And finally, Dana. Let's start styling. We're going to do this type of hairstyle. Wish me luck. Start styling with this. And you might have to make a cool bun to keep it on top. Okay, since we got a piece of hair, we ball it up big. Then we take this and do it over. Put your hands like this on there. Then you put it over like that. Make a big bun. Kind of make a tiny, or make, if you're not really good at it, just make a tiny bun like me. And then you do the other side. Here, you got the piece of hair. Now do the same thing that you did before. Okay. There, you made your two buns. Okay, now let's see in the box. You got that? Now we're gonna go to step 2. Okay, get 3 of these. You did that? Now you get a piece of hair. A big or tiny, doesn't matter, okay? Okay, now we gotta tuck this in the hair. See that? Nice, easy. Now we're gonna do this part and then do another space and do the last one. Get that? Now do the same thing on the other side. You doing it? There, you did all that? Okay. We see you pick up your brush. This is the 3rd step. So, you pick up your brush, brush the hair that you did not go on in the buns. So don't brush on the buns, okay? Okay, now you need to brush them together. Make sure the buns don't get off. If it came down, you just redo it like this. I can make some final adjustments.
Go to the other side, do some stuff. Go to the other side, do some stuff, play with the hair. Keep looking around it,
I could put some pens in. Nice, put some pens if you want to. Stuff in there. So it could stay in. And then if you want to do another pen part, you can go to the front. And then I finished. What do yours look like? Here's mine. Hope you had fun. Thank you, Miss D, for making this Naturalista doll that looks just like me. Make sure to